Welcome to another year of InventSTEM. We're excited to have you with us. For this month's activity, we'll be exploring solar energy through solar lights that you find in gardens. This video will help you get started on our solar lights activity. Always be sure to read through the activity steps first. We need one solar light, a multimeter, a flathead screwdriver, and a Phillips screwdriver. Also, always have a pen and paper to write down your thoughts and ideas and to draw sketches of what you're doing. Here, I drew sketches of our materials. Depending on how far you'd like to explore this activity, you may not need to use some of these materials. Observing our solar light, let's sketch and label what we see. Your drawing doesn't need to be perfect, they just need to be good enough to communicate your thoughts and ideas. Next, let's draw a systems level diagram. This is just a basic drawing that communicates how something might work. If you're unsure of how something works, that's okay. Let's just take our best guess and we can do some research later. Now for the best part. It's time to take the solar light apart. Let's draw what we see after taking it apart. For small parts, I like to do a separate sketch, like this. If I have any questions, I like to write them down so I can do some more research using the internet. If you'd like to dive deeper, try figuring out how to measure some of the electrical components, like the battery and resistor with the multimeter. Are you up for a challenge? Check out the Maker Challenge at the bottom of the activity sheet. Let us know what you've done by using the hashtag InventSTEM October Challenge.